the bell icon for notifications. The coronavirus global pandemic came and stole away lives by spreading its deadly wings. With 3 months already and counting, we have waited patiently in our homes for things to normalize back again. Despite all odds, what remains now is the fact that we have survived through the pandemic and been a source of strength to all around us. The wave is not easy, and it is definitely not now, since we have not recovered properly. But with high hopes, we shall wait and think that everything will go back to normal. With this thought in mind, I present to you 5 different ways of immunity building at home. Kadha can be made at home using very simple items. To make kadha at home, we require turmeric powder, half-inch sized ginger, cardamom pods, cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves, whole peppercorn. Along with these, we also require lemon slices and some tulsi leaves. Making kadha is not a mammoth task. It is very simple. Firstly, take the required amount of water in a pan and start to heat it. Add all the ingredients to it one by one except turmeric and lemon. Let the water boil until the color changes to a golden brown. While you add the cardamom pods, please ensure that you break open them before adding it. This will ensure that the infusion process of the nutrients from the cardamom pod will diffuse well into the liquid. In case of adding peppercorns, one should always prefer adding the whole peppercorns rather than pepper powder. Again, while you add ginger, please remember to crush it before adding it. When the concoction starts to boil, stir it often. As the solution turns golden brown in color, it is now time to add the tulsi leaves. After straining the kadha, allow it to cool down for some time. After it cools down for a while, add lemon juice and turmeric on top of it. Stir the kadha well after adding lime juice and turmeric respectively. It is important to note that lemon juice and turmeric should only be added after the kadha has been strained. It is not to be added while the kadha is still being made. Now, as the kadha is made, let us learn the medicinal values of each of the ingredients used in making it. next method is a very known one of drinking warm water with honey. The process is very simple and known to all. Keeping aside the water to warm up, the other two ingredients that is being used here is lemon and honey. The honey which I am using here might look a little weird because it is a natural hill honey which has no added sugar and color and crystallizes very often. The rest of the process is pretty simple. Take the lukewarm water and not boiling water, add the squirt of lemon juice you require and add honey according to the taste you want. Blend it well, drink it up. That's it. It is preferred you drink this early in the morning before you have any other solid food. Now, as you've learnt again how to make this, let us learn what are the medicinal values hidden behind this as well. Green tea has been known as a savior product to build immunity and promote growth. Apart from aiding the daily fitness regime of an individual, it also relieves from stress, helps fights common cold and flu problems, and also builds up stamina. Though I am not promoting any particular brand over here, but this particular green tea from Organic India has really helped me out. Me and my family have been consuming this green tea for quite a while now, and I admit that it indeed refreshes me up the moment I drink it. It gives me the strength to go on with my daily work routine and also promotes better digestion. I have been using the Tulsi flavored green tea which contains the power of 5 essential kinds of Tulsi. The process of making green tea is absolutely the same as how you make your regular cup of tea. I can assure you, drinking a cup of green tea at any time of the day will definitely show up positive changes in your health. So please don't wait and go and add green tea into your daily lifestyle. Up next, I suggest to take up some Ayurvedic medicinal supplements meant for boosting immunity. Again, I am not promoting any particular brand over here, but these are the ones that I have been using from Patanjali Ayurveda. Using Ayurvedic medicines will not affect your health because Ayurveda does not promote any kind of side effects. These medicines with the same components are available under any other Ayurvedic brand that you may choose to use. I do not prescribe any particular dosage because it differs from brand to brand and also according to the age and BMI of the intaker. In short, I just want to tell that you may go ahead and try using these medicines. I can assure you that these medicines generally do not cause any side effects to the individual. These medicines are generally available across all Ayurvedic shops, but if you want to use it, you have to hurry up because these do not last very long in stocks. For my part, I have to tell that these medicines have really worked well and has definitely improved my overall health. Ever wondered why we had been told in our childhood by our elders to consume more citrus fruits than others? Well, you must have not understood the value of citrus fruits then, but now you can easily understand the value of vitamin C. Well, the simple logic here is that vitamin C is the key component that keeps you safe during these times of the pandemic. Eating more of citrus fruits will ensure that all kinds of viruses and flu causing germs and bacteria stay away from you. So, be it in fruit or pulp or juice form, start adding vitamin C enriched fruits into your diet because it is vitamin C that will safeguard you. I hope you've liked my video and found it helpful. If so, please do not forget to like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay safe, stay at home, be happy and bye bye.